Hi everyone, this is Praveen Durai from Dice University, and in today's video we are going to talk about the introduction of Revcontent native advertising traffic network tutorial. Let's go! Welcome to today's video, guys. In today's video we are going to introduce the Revcontent native advertising traffic platform. So literally we are going to talk about the Revcontent. We're going to see how we can actually go ahead and do a native ads within the Revcontent. But first things first, let's talk about Revcontent. Revcontent is one of the leading content discovery platform. It's actually based in Florida, United States, guys. So there is actually a lot of things regarding Revcontent, but let me just emphasize the word that Revcontent is the peak of future performance driven native advertising, because thousands of people are already profiting from Revcontent campaigns. Advertisers are always searching for alternatives, for example, alternatives for Facebook news feeds and all this kind of stuff, because Facebook news feeds are expensive, and that is where native advertising becomes the most promising alternative. Now let me just tell you reasons that why actually you need to use Revcontent when you can actually use other stuff. So basically there's 5 main reasons why you need to use Revcontent. Let us go for the first and each and every one of it. The first thing is cheap. Revcontent offers one of the lowest bid and one of the smallest deposit. The real proof is that when you are back out to the cost per action, you can actually see how cheap is actually Revcontent. So the second thing is actually the reach of Revcontent. Quantcast estimated that Revcontent reaches approximately 97% of the United States of America, and that is crazy. You know what is 97% of the United States of America? That is almost 250 billion impressions per month. So definitely the reach of Revcontent is actually crazy. And the third reason is granular targeting. And for me, I personally believe that this is where the Revcontent actually comes top, and it comes like competing with Facebook, and it comes like competing with the other native ads like Outbrain, Tabula, and all this kind of stuff. Because let's say Facebook actually offers almost 800 interest option compared to Revcontent, which actually offers more than 3,000 plus interest option. That is like 3 times more than Facebook. I'm not saying that they actually can beat Facebook. Definitely Facebook is performing better, but I could say that they are actually the next alternative for Facebook. That is something which is definitely there. And white lists and black lists are also something that Revcontent does better than everyone else, because there's a lot of stuff that you can actually use with the Revcontent, so white list and black list. And the next reason why we like Revcontent is because of the real-time data. The Revcontent data refreshes in near real time. Outbrain and Tabula and other competitors, usually they have a delay of 2 to 4 hours in a normal day, but Revcontent is actually like real time, and that's actually very good. It allows you to see the initial result and optimize very fast there. And the final reason why you should actually go ahead and choose Revcontent is because it scales. You can actually scale faster in Revcontent because it has a very minimum deposit, and Revcontent spends the new budget while always maintaining the CPA performance. And these are the reasons why you can actually use Revcontent. So this is actually the Revcontent's website. As you can see over here, they are based on Florida, so nothing much in their website. Like I already told you, most of the stuff over here, and 250 billion reach and all this kind of stuff. So when you go ahead and sign up, you will be led to this particular form where you can actually go ahead and fill up all this information. And once you fill up all this information, you can hit register. And once you verify your account, this is how the Revcontent's dashboard looks like. So for native ads, you usually need to go to the campaign boost section, and then you can actually go ahead and press the create campaign, and you can go ahead and fill up all these forms. So it's actually very, very simple and very, very easy to use. So once you have done that, you can hit the save button and everything is good. You can also go to site widgets or apps if you are actually a publisher, but if you're an advertiser, campaign boost is where you want to be. Basically, that's about it with Revcontent, guys. I think I've covered a lot in today's video. I really hope that today's video was beneficial for you, and on top of that, I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. That's the most important part, guys. And thanks for watching, everybody. I'll be seeing you in the next one, but before I go,
allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.